This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
We're going back to the wheel once again. My players do tell me that I do look so much like my ex. What about that? Should I feel good? Should I feel bad? I don't get it. How should I react? My nickname is Chocolatey, so I'm sweet as a chocolate. Well, don't you remember? Catch on with 7X from Top Club. How we firstly talked? Gelato, cioccolato, dolce, posterato. Of course you look like a sweet one. Gimme, gimme, gimme your man of midnight. Ooh. I told you so. I told you so. You can never ever lose a hope in my second. I'm telling you, every time after some numbers, the sun will shine. What have I said to you? You didn't believe me again, but as a host, I will never ever lose a hope, and also 100x, the highest one. Let's add up that additional multiplier. No, that's what I'm talking about. 700x is the highest multiplier. Let me pull the lever. 175, 70. Oh, it's going to be amazing. That's my girl, Thea. All in this together. Who's that girl? How do you like it? How do you like it? So, your decision time. Shoot wisely. It's up to you to choose or wait for autopic, but you have a chance to catch 700x. We got to multiply, and a good one. So, okay, it's alright.
This is the amount of money issued, 131,060 euros.
700x right here, 110, the luckiest players, 2,000.
I wasn't partying. Hey, I don't party that often. I'm quite a boring person. I play pool on my own. I literally practice pool. I play alone. I play guitar at home. I watch series at home. That's close. I listen to like classical pieces and metal music when I'm outside of home, wearing headphones. 7X on crazy time. I don't dedicate too much time to people nowadays. Well, outside of this place. I'm young too. Well, I'm not saying it's, actually, oh my days. Come on, my man. Come on, my man. 7X crazy time. All right. Giggity, go. Follow me. We got it. We got it. We got it, everybody. 7X crazy time. Whoa. Look at the numbers. Woo. 7X on top of everything, everybody. 7X on top of everything. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Oh my days. Green, blue, or yellow, which color will you choose? Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't make a decision, auto pick is gonna happen. Johnny, hello. My man is shocked, to say the very least. Anyways, enough talking. Maximum 700X. I want to see them digits rise, okay? $140 blue, 245 for yellow. Green team, double bubble. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, new maximum, roughly just a cute and tiny little 1400X.
This is the amount of money issued, 200,756 euros.
For the green team. Hi. Wow. Enjoy the winnings. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, looking good, looking fresh. That's good. You the bomb. You're welcome, everybody. That's a close. That was truly something. 3x on coin flip. Johnny, help.
4x multiplier. And is this real? Is this real, chat? Is this a crazy time with a 4x multiplier? Do I see everything clearly? Oh my days. Welcome back, everybody. Woo. Okay, joking. Not knocking out the door yet. What's good in the neighborhood, my penguins? Hey, dubs up, everybody. Dubs up, everybody. That is a 4x crazy time, man. We're going crazy. Look at that. How many doubles out there, baby. I really do hope we experience a 10x crazy time today as well. But you need to catch a double for that, by the way. That might be problematic. All right now, ladies and gentlemen, the most hard decision. Color. What is it gonna be? Green, blue, or the yellow one? I mean, perhaps a red flapper would be a good choice. The thing is ain't no red flapper. 500x is the highest one. Best of luck, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo! 100, 125, and a double for the yellow team. That is a 10x crazy time for everybody on the yellow flapper, man. 1000x is the highest one. And boom. Power of the bald head, baby.
This is the amount of money issued 49,236 euros.
Could have been way more bigger.
That would be nice to get. Or give me a crazy time, I guess. All right. We do it. We're going to the crazy time. All right, everybody. Follow me through the red door. Let's see what kind of multipliers we're getting this time around. Let's go. Right, everybody, welcome to the biggest wheel in the world. 3 flappers, green, blue, or yellow. Just between the 3 of them, and let's see who wins the most. Hopefully get some doubles, some hundos, some 200s, you know, as always. So let's go, 100x the highest multiplier. Let's punch it. Alright, 10x green, 20x blue, and double for yellow. Alright, yellow team, 200x is your highest multiplier. Let's see how you can do. Hopefully it's a 200 or another double. Let's see. And it is another double for yellow. All right, yellow team. 400x is your multiplier, your highest one. Let's go again. Maybe another double, maybe 400. You know what I mean. Let's go. Once again. Okay, another double. Let's get it again. Let's go again. Let's go again. Okay. That's the third one. All right, 800x is your highest multiplier. Let's go, yellow team. Come on, give me that 800. Give me that 800.
This is the amount of money issued 146,430 for euros.
800x on the yellow. Big! Yo! What do you mean? Congrats! Congratulations to everybody, but mostly the yellow team. What is this luck? Okay. Wow. Alright.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.